Akusizi ukufunda i-textbook edeke engaka. Uphase but lento leyo ungazange uyenze ngezandla. Lento leyo angeke ize iphumelele. We are foul crying, government, wake up. We are foul crying ukuthi i-youth ayinamsebenzi. And anibafundisanga labantwana ukuthi bazidevelophe. Nifundisa abantwana ukuthi kunento ekuthiwa i-CV. Ubani abenza izinwele la? People from outside. Bobani abasenzela ama-chips? People from outside. Now you ask yourself the same question. Le ngibuza yona. Ukuthi apha ama-South African. No, very much lazy. La ku-brain abafuna ukusebenzisa i-brain bafane nalabo sisi laba. That's why they hate labo sisi laba and they hate them for nothing because labo sisi la bazibakhombisile ukuthi thina sihlakaniphile ukudlula nini. Nathi these guys abakha izindlu la elokishini basikhombisile ukuthi they are wiser than us. So if we change the mentality yokucabanga kwethu njengabantu base-South Africa, we can build our own companies and start working, build izindlu. Nkosi yami sivula ama-shop namhlanje kunasitolo somuntu omnyama estradini esi-1 kuna 5 yama-shop wamandiya. Sorry guys.
Hayi, you go crazy man.
Yeah, kuna 5 yama-shop. Apha ama-shop abantu abamnyama. Abantu nokukhula ngomuntu omnyama la elokishini osele nesitolo uthengisa utshwala. Killing the very same youth. AmaNdiya nawo abona ukuthi no, if abantu abamnyama bakwazi ukubulalana babodwa ngotshwala, why don't we open utshwala? But no, thina into esizobabulalisa ngayo i-1, we'll make our own beer.